Hello, and welcome to the world of AI. Hi, this is Pooja. Today's episode is a special one. We're diving deep into the magic behind ChatGPT, what powers it, how it works, and how you can use it in your daily life. Let's begin our journey into the world of GPT, the generative pre-trained transformer. What is GPT? GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It's a type of AI model developed by OpenAI that can understand and generate human-like text. Think of it as a super intelligent assistant that learns from books, websites, conversations, and then helps you write, learn, solve, and even think better. The origin of GPT, a journey from GPT-1 to GPT-4o. GPT-1 launched the year 2018. The first step, a small model trained on a dataset called Books Corpus. GPT-2 launched the year 2019. Over 1.5 billion parameters. It surprised the world with how much it could do. GPT-3 launched the year 2020. A game changer. With 175 billion parameters, it became capable of writing poems, code, articles, and more. GPT 3.5, the engine behind early ChatGPT, fast, smart, and widely used. GPT-4, 2023. Multimodal capabilities, can process both text and image inputs. GPT-4o, 2024. The Omni model, faster, real-time audio, vision, emotion, memory, and more. A single model for voice, text, and vision. How GPT actually works. GPT is trained in 3 major steps. Pre-training, it reads massive amounts of text, books, articles, web pages, and learns how language works. Tokens and prediction, it breaks text into tokens, parts of words. Then it predicts. What comes next? For example, after once upon a, GPT learns time is likely to follow. Transformer architecture. GPT uses a model called a transformer, like a neural network on steroids. It understands context by looking at entire sentences, not just one word at a time. Versions of ChatGPT, what's the difference? Version speed input, type specialty. GPT 3.5 fast text only, general conversations. GPT-4 slower text plus image, more accurate, deeper reasoning. GPT-4o fastest text, image, audio voice interaction, real-time chat. GPT-4o is now like a real friend. You can talk to it, show it a photo, or even share a drawing, and it understands instantly. How you can use ChatGPT, real-life uses step-by-step, how to start. Go to chat.openai.com. Create a free account, choose ChatGPT free, GPT 3.5, or subscribe to Plus, GPT-4 or GPT-4o. Now what can you do with it? Writing? Help. Blog posts, social media captions, essays, reports, emails, learning and research. Summarize books, translate languages, prepare for exams, learn anything, anytime. Job and career? Resume writing, interview questions, career advice, communication skills. Daily productivity? To-do lists, meal planning, time management, smart reminders, programming and tech, write or debug code, learn Python, JavaScript, etc. Create apps or games, emotional support. Calm you during stress, positive reinforcement. Talk to you like a thoughtful friend, what might come in GPT-5? The future of GPT. Note, these are educated speculations based on OpenAI's research trends. Better long-term memory, real-time emotion understanding, personalized AI models, deeper connection with your daily routine, smarter vision, audio capabilities, maybe even offline use someday. Why GPT is changing the world. GPT is not just a tool, it's a bridge between knowledge and access, between emotion and technology, and between you and your limitless potential. This AI is here not to replace you, but to empower you, and in this mission, you are not alone. The final message. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. The World of AI, follow us on Facebook. The World of AI, share this with friends who want to learn about the future of AI. This episode is proudly our commitment to spreading knowledge. Remember, the future isn't written by machines. It's co-written with humans like you.